Them the girl can't see me and chat to me. You think I me could have see Rosalie and say hi to her? Go ahead. Not choose Spice, cause Spice like them dirty lifestyle. That's why she come out of our soft girl era. I'm this tasty when I saw Spice doing them something there. Cause one thing with Spice, she not left her two pitney them. So why would you be okay and I highlight a woman with threaten her pitney them? Why would you, as a big international artist, support a woman who threaten for unalive her kids them and sit down and say she push her finger up in her man bottom? And that's what you choose. You go tell her, say, everybody on TikTok, look who Spice choose if you go do big wet name that with promotion with. One to Maya.